FXBros.
Alrighty, we're live, and the news is out. Let me let everybody know. News is out. Alright, we're back. Let's see. I have all the actuals. Unemployment rate has dropped. God damn, hey you. So we swept the highs. I know we selling. So like AU didn't do what it needed to do before it go back up. Like we didn't even sweep the 50%. I mean, we did Monday without some bullshit. So I'm looking to get into buys on AU and sales on UJ, but I really thought this bitch was gonna sell off a little bit more than it did. I'm trying to see, am I tripping? It's starting to look like I'm tripping. Let's look at the 5-minute. 8. Shots to this bitch. School.
Do what it
What up?
do. Stand black, stand dangerous. You're staying researched up on these options though. Cause I be learning shit every time I make a play, you feel me?
Nah, facts. That's a
Cause I'm
good
looking
thing though.
at I'm looking at Walmart, I get in that mud. I'm like, all right, this mud moving instantly, like the money moves. You know what I'm saying? That big go up, I'm going up. I get a PL, you know what I mean? The money move, my shit ain't going up. You know what I mean? I actually started negative. I start negative, and I'm not wondering why. I'm not knowing what's going on. You know what I'm saying? I'm not understanding the mechanics. You feel me?
Yeah.
So when I had came and looked at it again, I went to do some research. I'm like, why is PL moving so funny? So you come to find out, I don't know if you had looked at some of the documents or whatever I sent, but like basically they were saying that the spread be far out. Uh, they have it's just a lot be going on. It's like the spread be far out. Like you look at the bid and you look at the ads, and they'll be like 30, 40 cents apart. You feel me? Sometimes they'll be 90 cents apart. You know what I'm saying? So that's a whole spread. Like the bid and the ask is the spread. You know what I
Right.
mean?
Just like in Forex, like when we if you buy Forex pairs during the dead time, the spread be like, usually it'd be like 1 pip, but in the dead times when it ain't a lot of volume, it'll be 10 pips. So as soon as you
Mhm.
buy an option or a position, you negative off rip.
Right, right. So it's like that because of the amount of liquidity that's in the market.
Right,
There's not that many askers, there's not that many buyers, bidders.
right,
You feel me? So it's gonna be spread out because motherfuckers are trying to get their money.
right.
There's a lot of retail traders in it. But if you go to something like Walmart, there's market movers in there, big
Facts.
money in there. It's more structured.
It's
It's
like
gonna be more,
ETF and shit in there.
yeah, Vanguard and all them. You know what I'm saying? Like they trade in these kind of markets. You know what I'm saying? Bigger markets. It's
Right.
more stability. You feel me? Now that don't mean don't trade something. Like if you see something cheap that's moving, that just means you have to wait for the structure though. You have to wait for structure to be built and all of that. For some reason, prices get cheaper, the spreads get thinner, and the bid, you want to wait for the bid to be like you want to have more volume on the bids than you have on the ads. All that means is there's more support than resistance. You see what I'm saying?
Gotcha.
So any stock you really buying, you want if you buying it, you want the bids to be more than the ads because the bids really trying to get in. So there's the stock could rise. You see what I'm saying?
Right.
So that's what I kind of learned. Like you really want to just pay attention, not just to the thetas and deltas and market structure first, but after you look at these numbers and these numbers give you confirmation. These numbers are not an entry. These numbers is confirmation after you look at structure, after you see stuff moving. You see what I'm saying?
Right.
The smaller spreads, the bids being higher than the ask.
Let me see what that shit is located at on.
Um,
I'm trying to see
yeah.
when we be seeing that shit on like on what's it called? On Robinhood, where they show that at. Bid
Mm,
and ask. I think it's on the main page. Yep. Bid and ask that. So
hmm That's why if you get in some stuff, I don't know if you ever experienced it yet. You probably getting a lot of stuff. I think we getting a lot of stuff that has more market movers in it. So you instantly going in green if that market start moving up. But
right.
if you get into smaller things, some of them spreads if you get big.
Yeah, I'm looking at little baby and that bitch got I don't know, it said a bid is times 4 and the ask is times 203. Right. I don't know what that means by that. But the price difference is like 30 cents. Like the bid and the ask. Damn, it just changed from times 14 to times 90. I don't know what the hell that
Let's see. Looking at little baby, they're not giving me the. I think to the market pulls, they're not
yeah.
giving really the bids and the ask right now. But yeah, I can't see it.
I feel like they playing us on NFP, man.
What you mean?
I thought that bitch gonna drop a little lower before it started going up like it's doing. And I'm trying to be patient
What's
and
that?
wait. I think that bitch missing me.
You?
Huh? Just yeah, AU on the 5 minute. I'm just trying to see if it's any type of other structure that's being developed, but that shit is going up. And I need to
Yeah,
get out of this shit.
yeah. You wait for a pullback, it really does. And then like pull back when the NFT already came out.
Yeah, just 7:30.
7 days. Okay, I see stuff moving now. Yeah, stuff wasn't moving the whole time. Yeah. Let's see if I get a pullback. I ain't messing with the market until me. I'm fooling with these options. Like, it should come back. Come back right here.
Oh, what's that? She said 15,000.
Look at that pullback. I don't want it. Fuck yeah. Damn, I was in January 30 last night. I do this every time, bro. Got out that bitch and like 30 points. This bitch up. It was up 100 something.
Uh,
That bitch be moving. That's why I say the markets are kicking my ass. Yeah, I see AU busting. But
I
them
think I think AU is at least supposed to sweep the 50% range of last week. Like it barely did it, but I'm thinking it did this move to run stop losses for themselves and get people out of position. And now it's sweeping the Asian set
man,
from yesterday.
honestly, it's still with their structure. They still never broke the low on the 4 hour.
That's what I'm saying. So I'm thinking this move up is just a fake out move and it's going to trade back down to attack them lows. But
I wouldn't say that. I'm looking at it, but it's an uptrend, bro. And that's why it's going up with so much volume. Because
I
I'm
know.
not saying, and I'm not saying it's not going to come back and give you a better position. But what I'm saying is there's an uptrend.
Nah, you're right.
And
I'm looking at it right now. I got the 4 hour up. That bitch is not going down. It's for sure going up. The trend is going
as soon as it tested that level, you should have just bought at the support. Like this, is what I'm about to be on, bro. Like I'm buying that support no matter what now. Like I don't even care. I'm taking a chance, bro.
Yeah, you gotta
because
take a chance. If it's at support,
because you buy low,
you
bro.
gotta take a
That's how
chance.
you get these highs. Like that's how you not looking at, oh, it took off. You know what I'm saying? You get in that before you know it's gonna take off. Like you got to get off when you uncertain, when the market's uncertain, because you got to know that it's at support. And look how long it's been on the uptrend, bro. Hey, you don't even be moving like this, like so. You
That's
gotta
why this
know.
the year of this the year of the damn forex. Especially these niggas playing
Yeah,
with the dollar like that. Like these forex players about to move.
yeah, yeah. You gotta know that mother gonna move. You hear me?
Mhm. That's why I caught them sales. I got in sales right now. I'm gonna try to see if I'm gonna catch the top, catch
Nah,
this fade.
if it break out 67, I buy that. Bitch. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
because
I mean, I want to buy it overall, but I saw when it opened up for news and it dropped all the way down to 60, 67. I was expecting it to go like 5 pips to 10 pips a little bit lower to sweep under that 50% of the range from last week, the weekly range, and then
mhm.
go up. So I'm thinking this run up right now is just to get everybody into buys, which it probably did, and now it's about to trade back down to that level, get everybody out of them buys they got in, and then run it right back up. Like it's gonna fake the shit out of people out. Like but it's running stops for sales that people's in sales. Everybody that got in buys this morning, they get nervous right now because it's coming back down, and then it's gonna go right the fuck back up. So that's what I'm kind of
Yeah,
looking
I'm
at.
telling you, them buying limits too, bro. We gotta start setting buying limits and just not even, you know what I'm saying? Knowing where the
Yeah,
market should turn up at, and
I've been
just
like,
get
I'm gonna tell
in
you what's
there.
been saving my ass, bro, and it's some real nigga shit. Actually, and I
Yeah.
hate to say this because I don't like them bitches, but actually using stop losses. Like I be using mental stop losses, but putting stop losses on my shit and damn near forgetting that I got a trade on with a stop loss. Like if it hit, it hit. If it don't, I'm protected anyway. But that's what's been
Yeah.
making my account go. Because what I'll be doing, I have no stop loss, let it run, and then I let it run against me because I'm thinking it's like going for another setup, and then it end up going negative, and I hold that bitch for like a week thinking I'm gonna get back, and then I just be missing out on all opportunities because I'm still holding on
Mm.
to a bias when I could have easily got stopped out when I was wrong and looked for a better opportunity. That's what's been helping my ass. Me getting stopped out. Like real talk. It sounds
Yeah.
fucked up, but
Nah,
that's
bro.
that's what
That's why
actually
you
like
use
I've been
stop
seeing my
losses
equity
and
going up.
take
Like
profit.
I said, I did with ChatGPT. I uploaded a whole year of chart data from the 1 hour and the 4 hour
Mhm.
on TradingView. Loaded it up to ChatGPT, and then I loaded up my actual trading data from last year. And that bitch, like, we worked out a whole system to like, okay, for eight specifically for AU, like 2 to 1s is like some of the best setups I could go for. So if I'm trying to get 20 pips, 10 pips stop loss. Trying to get 40 pips, 20 pips stop loss. And that shit been working. Like it's easy as hell. It ain't like no
Mhm.
rocket science shit, but that my equity been going up like
Yeah.
way more than it ever did because I've been getting stopped out. So
No
that
doubt.
just
No doubt.
take that news and run with it because I was always the one to be like, okay, I like mental stops, but I don't want nobody to take me out the market. Like, bitch, let me take myself out. But me taking myself out was not working.
Yeah. Nah, most
I was
definitely, bro.
I was staying in too long.
Like even if I'm in profit, I would rather set stop, just pull my stop loss up somewhere than just get out at a spot if it didn't hit TP yet. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Like,
because you saw that TP for a reason, and probably the whole market saw it. So if you on the right side of it, yeah, wait till that TP get hit, and don't change it.
yeah, I wouldn't. Yeah, that's another thing. I wouldn't even change the stop. Just let it run. Let it run.
Correct.
And that's what I'm saying, bro. So like, I've really been looking into it, bro, and I'm peeping game, dog. As long as you know market structure, you could set buy limits and
Hmm.
buy stops, sell limits, sell stop, whatever, and just put your stop loss and put a take profit, bro, and that shit gonna hit, dog. Like I've been peeping, but I don't, I'm like what you just said. Oh, I'd rather get in where I want to get in, and I'd rather, man, no, 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 no,
Uh,
no, 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 no,
Cause you're not
hell no.
the only reason it's so much gold because we not physically sitting in front of the computer 24 hours a
Oh,
day.
exactly,
If we
bro.
was if we was glued to the seat
Exactly.
to the computer, yeah, we would be fucking millionaires right
That
now.
part
Cause
right there, bro. Niggas don't even want to spend the time to sit in that bitch and just be looking at bro, ain't nobody even got time to be looking at that shit like that, bro. You know what I'm
that shit,
saying?
that
Set
shit
that
been time
fucking
consuming.
violent. And don't get me wrong, I sit there and look at it for a long time. But
Hmm.
see, when I'm in a play, I'm in the play. I'm not about to be sitting there looking at that shit all day waiting. That bitch, I could set alerts and stuff like that, but I'm not really about to sit there and look at it, bro. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying? And then when I do look at it, me not being disciplined in the sense of not just setting a take profit and stop loss, bro. I'm getting out it before, like I just said with Jeremy
but
30,
yeah,
bro.
yeah,
Got out last night at like $30, bro. That bitch would have been up 100 right now.
yeah.
If you just sit there and wait on them bitches and let them develop and shit and do what you expect them to do, rather than like, oh well, that bitch is pulling back, you know what I'm saying, and all of this and all that type shit. Like it didn't even hit the high yet. You know what I'm saying? The
Right,
market
right.
go is designed to do shit to make you break discipline. You know what I'm saying? That be designed to, if you gonna at that bitch, it's gonna make you want to get out. You know what I'm saying?
Uh,
It's designed for shit like that. So you gotta really know that this shit is really awesome. Set the take profit, set the stop loss, and that takes the mental game out of it and set the buy limit. You feel me? And
yeah.
like that way, you taking your mental part out of it 100% after you set the parameters.
Right.
Like once you set the buy limit, the stop loss, the take profit, you ain't even gotta even look at the bitch no more. The shit don't
Yep.
work for itself.
Work for itself, and that should alone been helping me out. Like I said, my some stop losses get hit, but most of the part when I let it work out, the take profits get hit more than stop losses. So like I said, I've been looking at my shit. I'm like, damn, my account over the past 2 weeks, like it ain't been up much, but it's going up. It's not going down or staying stagnant because I want to like hold. I want to be too manual. Like nah, like you said, set that shit and forget it and go to the next thing. Like check on it, monitor it, but don't be stuck on it. Be like looking at every move, like oh shit, that bitch dropping. Let me get out of this.
Mm-hmm.
Like, nah, man, let that shit go. Like on today, right now, this is a different story. NFP came out, so yeah, you want to be active on your position. But any other day, yeah, man, set that shit and forget it, bro. That shit been working, and like I said, it's only 2 weeks. But since last week of 2025.
And I'm gonna
So
say this about NFP. NFP follow market structure, bro. I don't, and nothing is
yeah,
breaking
NFP
market structure,
creates
bro.
market structure.
You
That
feel
bitch
me?
could be the reason why they
Exactly.
whole turn around and start to go in another direction or continue in the same
Right.
direction. Yeah, yeah,
Right. And that's what I'm saying. That bitch go like today with what I gotta tell you with AU. And if it don't, it might fake you out to think that. And that bitch, if you really look at it in the bigger time frame, it followed the 4 hour structure. That bitch never broke lows. You know what I'm saying? That bitch went straight up after it went. Where are you going? It went straight up after it broke lows. I mean, after it went to the lows, after it
right,
went to the support. And that's why I
right.
say set buy limits at support. 9 times out of 10, you're going to be right. You feel me? Even if
Uh,
it breaks the support, sometimes it breaks the support just to hit stop losses. Make sure you have a good enough stop loss that
yeah, if you wrong,
that
you
you
out.
believe in, you know what I'm saying? Like with
Right.
US 30, I know you need at least $100 stop loss type shit. With same thing with NASDAQ. With gold, you might need like a 10-point stop loss. You see what I'm saying? So it's
Right,
like
right,
know where the stop loss should be and set it and set everything. You know what I'm saying? and get in. You know what I'm saying? Even if you get in manually, set the stop loss, set the take profit, and just be like, fuck it. But I'd rather you get in with buy limits because you're getting in at the best position possible. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Rather than you getting in like if you gonna watch it all day and look for an entry, that's cool. But make sure you getting in when you see that best position possible. If it give you just one signal that that bitch about to turn around at the support and start going back up, you know what I'm saying? That bitch do that shit fast, bro. That bitch not waiting on nobody. You know, you gotta just know. All right, it's time. You heard me? That bitch done gave me a green bar. I take it right here at the
Yeah.
support.
I
You
mean,
heard me? Let's
that's
go.
how we know
I
when
take
something
it.
is going bullish or bearish. Like the candles, don't lie to you. Like if you see it's been going red for the past week, and you got up, like you said, you first green bar, like that's the sign. Like not granted, it ain't 100% that as soon as you see that green bar, oh, it's about to turn
Right.
into
I'm
a
saying
bullish.
at a support. I'm saying at a support.
Like yeah,
Like
but
you know,
buying at a
this is
support, your first
a strong
your
support. You
first
feel me?
indication would be that green candle that produces. Like
Right.
that'll be your first
Right.
indication. Like okay, bam, this is what we going in at. You
Right,
know,
bro.
and you could go
You know
to
what
as
I'm saying?
small of a
And I'm
time
saying
frame as you want to.
when I say support, I'm talking about where you done seen it consolidate at, you done seen the market come up, came back to this level and bounced up from that level, then came back to it, probably consolidated at the level, bounced up, and now you've seen it like on AU. You done seen it a few times at that level. It done came to that level, consolidated, and came to that level, spiked up, consolidated, then went up some more. You see what I'm saying? That bitch it's respecting that level. You feel me? So it's like I gotta respect that level too
Yep,
until it's no longer respected.
yep. And you
I'm gonna
got to
put a buy
expect that
limit
it's
right
gonna
there
respect it. That's another
at the
thing. You got to go into the
demand level.
market. You got to go into the market thinking that all levels will get respected, and if it don't,
Exactly,
then
bro.
have a tight enough stop loss to be when you wrong, you out because
Right.
it respects. It'll give you more chances to respect the level than it will break it. Now it does break it because I
Exactly,
mean
bro.
markets go up and down, but
You gotta think
when you ever seen a
market
chart
movers
move up
got
and
those
down with
levels.
double tops and double bottoms and shit, like that's respecting the levels before it break it. It's gonna break it,
Yeah.
but it's gonna respect about 3 more times before it break it, especially if
Yeah.
it's a strong level.
You gotta think, bro, who's sitting at those levels? Vanguard and them. You hear
Facts,
me?
facts.
They the ones sitting there. They trying not to break these levels. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? Like I'm trying to ride with them. Where we going? You gotta hang with the rich people. You know what I'm saying? If you want to be rich, hang with the rich. This is what the rich do, bro. I know this what they doing. Because you
Yeah,
can look at the market. Soon as the market hit a level, that bitch spike up. Why? Because a lot of artists are right there.
exactly. Exactly.
You
Yeah,
feel me?
you
Niggas
know,
orders are being filled. Why your order not right there?
right,
Why you not on game?
right,
Even if it's a short term burst up and you could just get 10 points, 20 points up. Why are you not in there? Because it did the 20 points.
right,
You know
right.
what I'm saying? Yeah, it did the 20 pips, huh? From the support.
Yeah, yeah. I double check.
You know what I'm saying? If
Yeah.
it, just start peeping game. That bitch did the 20 pips. You feel me? So it's like,
And that's another thing. Checking your
why are we
daily
not in there?
ATR for what you trading. That's another thing too. That shit is crucial.
Huh?
Knowing the daily true range, the average true range for whatever you trading, that's crucial too.
Oh yeah, the ATR for the day.
Yeah, like everything got an ATR. Like the range that it usually does in a day, like the average range.
Yeah, no, I know.
But
You
but
fake.
I'm just saying, like that'll save you with holding on for something too long. Like AU,
Right,
if it already
right,
moved 30 pips, then I know I can't hold on to this for long. Like this is gonna be a short trade I'm in. Especially if
right,
it's going to be in the same direction that it is. So, stuff
right,
like
right,
that.
right, right, and exact, bro. Like with gold, I know that bitch not gonna move more than 100 at the most. You know what I'm saying? A day, that bitch, that's a lot. But that bitch, it be doing that. You know what I'm saying? That bitch moved 100. Man, you might as well just really chill out, bro. You know what I'm saying? Done did the move without you, dog. You missed it. But nah, and that's what I'm saying. I'm so tired of missing moves, bro. You heard me? Bro, you know how you miss moves? Not being there when you see it as support and you waiting for structure to be built. Be the structure. You know what I'm saying? Get in, put the stop loss in there, and put if it break out, you know what I'm saying? If you can't get in, your buy limit don't get hit, make sure you set a buy stop too. So if it just break out a certain level that you know it, if it break out this level, that be gone. You know what I'm saying? But you of course you have to study the market and know where levels, you know, where structures shouldn't be broken at and things like that, you know.
Right. Yeah,
All the
you're right
stuff
about
I'm
that.
saying.
You gotta be the structure. You gotta be willing to risk your capital to be the structure. If you see
At
it,
the right places.
yes.
At the right places, bro. Like
Yeah,
you notice the support. You know the market. If you just seen it drop 800 points to get to this level, just to for the market to start buying here. Like I went and looked at US 30, bro. I set a buy limit on it, right? And I
hmm
took it off, and I thought about it, rethought about it. It would have been the wrong spot because I put it right. It wasn't technically wrong. I just would have had to put a big enough stop loss on it, type shit. So
right.
I put it at the top of the demand level. And it went like right in the mid of the demand level, but it went to a horizontal line I had. And it went under the horizontal line. So like remember I said you gotta have like 100 point stop on it. It went under the horizontal line by like 70 points. And then soon as that bit went to 70 points, that bit spiked back up past the demand level, past everything. Like it just took off. You feel me? It didn't give nobody no time to get in. It didn't give you no chance to be like, well, let me see, should I get in? No, you had to have the buy limit set at the horizontal line and had that 100 point stop. It would have never hit. You would have been up 300 points by like 2 hours. You see what I'm
Yeah,
saying? So what I'm saying is I'm looking at this shit, bro. I'm peeping this shit happening. Sometimes it be you'll have to be there sitting like you'll get clocked in and you'll be sitting in that consolidation for a minute. Like I said, you got to be willing to be the structure. You hear me? You'll be sitting in consolidation. Then it'll take off. You feel me? After a while, but you just gotta wait. You feel me?
yeah,
Niggas just gotta wait, bro. You know what I mean? And know where you should be putting these buy limits. And yeah, doing this, you gonna mess up a few times. Honestly, you know what I'm saying? But at the same time, you could either do it market execution for the first couple times, like just get set alert set, and when it comes to that level, just start watching it. You know what I'm saying? And wait for your signal, and then get in and set that stop loss type stuff. You know what I'm saying? For the first two times until you learn how that market moves. You know what I'm saying? For
right.
beginners and stuff like that, or for people that like us, that just need to practice it first. Probably like this. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Um, just like put the market execution at first, and put that stop loss and put the take profit. But practice putting that stop loss and take profit and forgetting about it. Leave it alone. The easiest times to do that is when you're buying at supports, bro, or selling at resistance.
yeah.
If you're trying to do that in the middle, like where there's no horizontal lines, you're gonna get your ass stuck. Period. That bitch gonna zigzag to your stop loss so many times if you keep getting in at that same spot because you're in the middle. You should have been at support and waiting for it to hit the high where you can hit your top, take profit. You feel
Right,
what I'm saying?
right.
Not waiting for it, and now how AU like did that bitch. I mean, like I said, if it break through 6-7, that's a good buy spot. You know what I'm saying? But anywhere below that, that's not that low that it just hit type shit. That low area,
Yeah. When
I just
it
wait
do
for it
drop,
to go. Yeah, I wait for it to go back down there to a good support area, like where you will see. You know what I'm saying? I'm sure you'll be able to see something. You know, and
That's
wait
why I
for
was
it to
like, I'm
break
gonna
out
buy it
six
again.
seven.
Like AU, I'm gonna buy it again, but I want it to drop all the way back down to 66, 66.70. So it's like 20 pips away, and I'm in sales right now, trying to fade
Sales,
that
yeah,
idea. I'm that idea is working out
because you
so
know
far.
it's gonna go there.
Yeah, I mean,
You
the
feel
only
me?
reason I know is, well, I don't know, but the only way I feel I have some like conviction that it's gonna go there because when the news dropped, it swept lows, but it didn't sweep the like the structured low, which is like when I look at the previous weekly range, like I got a high, a low, and I got 50%. That 50% was strong structure. It didn't sweep that. It came
Hmm.
close to it, but it didn't sweep it. So it's like, okay, it was trying to let people know, like, maybe I might not sweep, but I might just continue to go up from here. It's like, okay, bet you might go up from here. What are the signs to show me that? Like, what are you reaching for from the upside? And I saw that it had structure and liquidity up to the upside. So it's like AU ran up to grab that liquidity, and like I said, it enticed enough people to like, oh, we going up. That bitch went up, what, like 20 pips or something just in this morning. So
Hmm.
it's like everybody think we going up. But nah, that could be the high of the day and it could just sell off. But we
Hmm.
don't know. But I'm trading that idea. Like I'm just rolling the dice on that idea. But at least
Yeah.
my risk to reward is good because I'm selling the highs. I'm not selling when it wicked down at the bottom
No,
when
man.
news drop because I would have been in drawdown all this time.
Right. Exactly,
30
bro.
pips. I'm selling what feel like I'm this the uncomfortable trade. Like it ran up and I'm shorting that bitch. Like that's the uncomfortable trade. I should have shorted it when it dropped, when the news dropped, but I know that AU will do some shit like this. It'll sell off and then just turn
Hmm.
around and now you become the liquidity. You the money that
Yeah.
they make.
Well, like I said, bro, I wouldn't be buying nowhere where it was at anyway. I mean, selling nowhere where it was at anyway, where it was at the lows, bro, because that was support area. If
Right,
you, like I
right.
said, go look at that 4 hour.
That's why I
That's where a
waited for it
bunch
to
of
sweep the highs.
buying is set
It
at.
swept it swept Asian highs from last night and I sold that.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Right. Right. People had got their 20 pips. You hear me?
Nah, fact. Big facts. Big facts.
You
Big
feel me?
time.
From them lows.
Uh-huh.
Nah, facts, bro.
They said they got some Supreme Court ruling on Trump tariffs today. What that's gonna do. The Supreme Court could issue a ruling later on whether Trump can invoke the IEEPA, International Emergency Economic Powers Act, to impose tariffs without approval of Congress. If the decision goes against Trump, companies, executives, customs brokers, and trade lawyers are girding for a possible fight to secure refunds of about 150 billion from the U.S. Damn, they would do that shit today. Let's do it on NFP Day. Nobody will be paying attention. Shit like this. Let's see, I want to short UJ, but I'm gonna let that bitch go up a little bit more. The UJ is the move. I'm gonna shut the piss out of UJ. Let that bitch go up a little bit more. I'm gonna shut the fuck out there. Matter of fact, I'm about to put a limit order right. You know,
Yeah.
for real. As soon as it go up there, I want to be in. I don't want no plan.
Yeah, that stuff right there.
In there, boss. No, for real.
True, we believe in it. You know what I'm saying? You see.
That That bitch just jumped up right quick. See? That bitch already let niggas know, like, yeah. Come on, fam. Yeah, that bitch going up. Damn, what the hell the dollar doing there?
Dollar busting, bro. Dollar
Not
going
shit.
crazy.
Look at UJ. Yeah, I thought that's also. I thought the dollar was busting for UJ and just shot the fuck up like on the 5 minute. Like it's damn, it's still going up. That bitch about to enter me in. Hold up.
Yeah, it just broke through. It just broke through a weekly high.
I don't want to get into that fast. Hold up, bitch.
Oh, this just busting,
Oh,
bro.
that's what I'm saying. Hold up.
Yeah, it's probably
Hold
it's
up.
been going to new levels, bro. I
Hold
wouldn't say
up.
this. I'm gonna
That's
keep
what I'm
it
saying.
G.
UJ going like that. The dollar not. I mean, it's kind of going in that range, but AU should be doing the same. That's why I like trading AU because you could look at the dollar and UJ, and sometimes AU will move a little bit slower, so it gives you time to get into that position. Look at
It
UJ.
might sell off from up here for right now, though. Like it might not break out type shit at this moment. I don't know
That
that I
UJ
will. This shit,
ran, bitch.
that bitch is my honey. That bitch too much volume.
That's
I'm
why I
trying to
got
sell
out.
it.
I canceled that order on sale because that's too much volume. I was like, I don't want that. I want to wait till it's give me a little bit clearer picture. That's crazy. UJ running, boy.
Yeah, everything bust. Everything.
No,
Damn,
for
bro,
real.
I
I
should
wish I
have
could
held
play that
that.
song, but too
The
trippy.
German third is, bro. I bet 150 points on German third, dog.
Uh,
That's
telling you,
crazy.
dog,
That's crazy.
get that system right
Walmart down bad.
and don't just set it and forget it, man.
When the market closed.
That's why I
Yeah,
fucking
those most definitely do.
love AI.
Most definitely, dog.
That shit helps a lot. Damn, bro, UJ is like fuck everything. Fuck the dollar. What the yen doing there? Oh, I ain't got no news though. The yen selling off like a bitch. They're reaching for. I already swept the lows in November, so that should be it. Should be short the market,
Yeah,
right? Short the market.
I don't know if y'all people, but as far as like, man, people be on them options, bruh. They well, what the rich people doing is buying 10 contracts at one time, looking to make a quick $50 to $100 off them, and close them. You feel me? And be done for the day, and boy, make a quick rack in a day and get it out. You feel me?
No, that's the
Like,
goal. I ain't gonna lie. Right now is where the economy at, and how things are priced. Like, yeah, 1,000 a day. Like, nigga, I'm a billionaire. I don't care what nobody says. I know I'm not a billionaire, but if you making 1,000 a day, yeah, like it's nothing on earth that you can't have. Like to the real talk. I mean, it's certain shit you might have to save up for the cop, but it ain't gonna take no 3 years to get it. You know, it's gonna take like some months.
right.
Whether if it's a car, or a down payment for a house, or a fancy trip, or just
Right.
investing into another business, like 1,000 a day, man, that's it. That's the goal. That's the
Facts.
goal. Dog. I mean, more is great too, but yeah, that even 500 a day is not bad. You know, that's real good money.
Yes, indeed, bro.
That's real
But
good money.
but mind you, they get multiple contracts.
Nah,
Like
facts, facts, facts,
you
facts,
know what I'm
facts.
saying? Like I said, when I had made the $100 Walmart, I should have just closed that one, and that was a whole, 50% plate. 75% of my
Niggas
plate.
will
They
sell
looked.
their children for that.
I don't know if y'all peeped on the you stupid. I don't know if y'all peeped like I said the notes I sent, but they have it in there. They say, man, for stuff like Walmart, people for big liquid markets, they're looking to make their first contracts about 25 to 50%, and then about 30 to 60%, and then they'll close out, they'll take profit off a few of their contracts, and then they'll let their runners run. You know what I'm saying? They think it's gonna keep going. You feel me? Like they taking profit. Everybody's securing profit. Nobody just letting this shit run. And
Right,
I had talked to my pops because he taking like this $1,000 class or something to learn the stuff or whatever.
right.
And he was like, and he in his group, and he said the group be cutting up like that. That's what they doing. You know what I'm saying? Them boys are go make a few racks and just get out of there. You feel me?
Profit
And
take. Yeah,
he
I'm
trying to
seeing it
learn
right
from
now.
them. And them boys be day trading. He said he done ran out his day trades and all. I said, man, y'all wildin'. Y'all wildin' over there, man. You see, he done ran out the day
25 to
trade.
40% profit taken on high liquid stocks. Said let it breathe. Stop loss at 20 to 35%.
And I'm not saying go out there and
And
do this.
small cap stocks.
You feel me? What I am saying is, well, you get enough percentage of these options, man. Don't be holding it. These things not guaranteed. You know what I'm saying? Look how Walmart did me, man. I went up 100 in 1 day. Next day, that bitch went down back to break even. The next day,
Let
that
times
bitch
kill
went,
you.
went
If it doesn't
down 100.
kill you, leave.
You feel me? Yeah, that's what it said. That
Time kills you.
don't
If it
pay.
doesn't pay,
Are you
let it
reading it?
leave.
I'm joking out. You reading it?
Yeah, yeah. I'm looking at it like I'm reading. In the future too, when you send something like this, just send the whole conversation link. That way we could I could pull it up in my chat GPT and just read
Every
it.
time I click on y'all links, they never work.
For real?
Yeah, that bit never work for me.
Yeah.
I can't
Okay.
never
Okay.
see
No,
the
I thought it was
conversation,
working.
so I just do it like that.
I thought it was working. My bad. It said not. Let me see if it turns to 100%. That thinking belongs to liquid names. Oh, yeah.
You feel me?
Well, I like how
Dog,
ChatGPT.
that's what we
I
be
like how
doing. Let
ChatGPT be
me
talking
see.
to a
Let me see if I'm gonna get 100%. For what? Is it lying?
Nah, it's not live. ChatGPT is like that bitch be listening to
That's
us talk. And
crazy.
they be talking back.
Yeah, bro. Come on, let me see. I'm like, ain't no way. I'm like, that's exactly what I be saying. Let me see if it's
Nah,
real.
for real. It said Walmart rewards patience, PL rewards discipline.
Yeah, because with PL, you're not gonna get like I said. If that big go, because the ass be so the spread be so spread out. So even if you right, you could be wrong. You feel me? Like that
Fact.
big could go in your direction and go against you. You feel me? Like even if it go up $1,
Mm-hmm.
like the first Monday or Tuesday I bought PL. That bit went up $1, but I wasn't even positive. That bit was at break even. It went up a whole dollar.
That's crazy.
That's crazy. So like you gotta wait for it to go out, break out. You have to wait for it to come down. You have to look at the numbers, make sure the bids higher than the ask. That's showing support, and you gotta make sure you know it already pulled back or it became stagnant because that's when a lot of retail traders get nervous and they don't really know what's going on. You have to wait for the second. You have to wait for the pull the breakout, the pullback, and then the second breakout is when you get in. Is what it was saying. But nah, continue reading that bit. I'm about to brush my teeth.
Yeah, no, you good. Yeah, that yeah, all the information was golden. You know, like I said, from what I saw, just like how when it talked to me too, it'll let you know like you know you wasn't doing the wrong thing. You just had your parameters was you know incorrect, but you was trading correctly. That's all that matters. You're using the wrong exit rules for the stock type. So yeah, every every stock has a different set of rules, and as far as like the volume and the liquidity that's in that current stock you trading, like it's either a lot of volume or it's very little. Meaning, you know, Walmart versus ET or PL or RR. The biggest mistake to avoid holding because it might come back. The chart still looks okay. I was right before. Options don't care about being right. Market don't care about being right, bitch. If you want next, yeah, 1 cent to lock in. On thin chains, you don't wait for profit. You respond to behavior. Facts. That shit real, but it's not easy to implement when you in like say for instance, uh you know, I've been doing good on Big Bear. That's something that's kind of thin. Uh, a market cap is not that of Walmart or Apple or anything like that. And they have big explosive moves, but just like Walmart or the big companies, or just not like Walmart, you know, Walmart moves, your option moves. On these companies, you'll see, you know, the damn thing up 5%, but you only up, you know, very little type shit. That goes to that volume part about in options with the gammas or the Greeks, looking into the Greeks and shit and seeing what moves, you know, if it's gonna reward you for being a volatile or not. And that's probably the reason why these brokers set that shit up like that, because they know if it's a high volume pair, they don't want to pay you like that. Because motherfuckers just make a killing on all these low liquidity type pairs that's gonna move 2 cents will be up 50%. You know what I mean? Everybody traded that shit, yeah, they'll be broke. So they had to set it up to where like, okay, it's gonna move 50%, but you only gonna get a 5% move or a 10% move out of that. You know, so you gotta being a little bit longer, patience. Like I said, patience pays. So that is true. Full exit flow one glance trade wrong cut trade work scale structure holds trail behavior changes exit time fails leave. It's the exit that's the difficult part. VWAP holds bid stays dominant of balance exit rests when a higher low breaks. VWAP is lost with volume. What VWAP stand for? I forgot. I know it's volume something. Probably got to start adding that on the charts. We are roughly 4 minutes away from the news being released. Take a quick look at the news that was released. So we had building permits, housing starts, building permits. This all September, October, old news. They still getting rolled in. Trying to play catch up and shit. But other than that, unemployment rate, NFP came out. NFP, the consensus was 60, previous 56. We dropped down to 50. Non-farm payroll private, consensus was 64, previous was 50, and we are reading at 37. So the payroll for non-farm is dropping. It's not good. Unemployment rate, previous 4.5, currently 4.4. Not a big jump, but it's not. Yeah, that's not good. It's not good. It should be going drastically down, but we already know. When you know what companies are planning on doing, what they're talking about doing, it's not these numbers are gonna show like this anyway. They're not hiring. They cutting jobs. It might not be headline news everywhere. And people, it's hard to see that when you drive around, because that just lets you know what a population at too. When you drive around and you seeing businesses are open, it might not be as frequent as a lot of people going in there and shopping and patronizing these businesses, but they open and you walk in there, they got employees in there. So it's kind of hard to kind of like wrap your mind around the job market, because as far as what we know and what we see, yeah, the job market is dropping. But then again, you look outside and you see everybody moving and shaking. Like, it don't look like desolate, like no cars, businesses closed. It ain't that bad. And then another thing that they was talking about too, as far as the job market, it's not really showing the true temperature of that, because I think they say you get marked down as a full-time or an actual employee or a person that has a job when you do, even like on some DoorDash shit. I think if you do like one ride or Lyft or something, I don't know how they was tracking it, but it was some shit like that though, where they mark you and you only could do one ride, like something that's not gonna make you no money, but they mark you down like, oh, the job market is increasing because all these niggas driving gig work. But it's like, nah, most niggas I talk to ain't doing no one ass gig. These niggas doing Lyft, Uber, DoorDash, Postmates, whatever the fuck they get their hands on. Amazon, Flex, all that shit.
You feel? We live, baby. We live.
No, for real.
Let me see what we looking like. Uh,
8:30. Let me see what much.
not stupid.
Oh, shit.
I'm like, about to use it again.
UJ, I'm going to sell the piss out of you. Once you set up, like I'm waiting on the dollar. That chart gotta show me the dollar need to go up to like a little bit more. I think it could go up to 99.2. Let's see. Yeah, I think it can go up there. Be a little patient and see. Or at least reach that wick for NFP, which is at 99.16. You said your pops was taking a class for like for options?
Yeah.
Nice. That's what's up. That's fine.
Oh no, bro. This mother dropping hard. I'm about to get up out here. About to play with it. Got time for this.
Mm. Oh yeah, let me see.
This stuff breaking those.
The hood is of all Robins.
Like I said, my little PL, yeah.
2%. That sure feel good to see my shit going up. Bitch ass man.
Man, this shit, dude, my shit dropping. That bitch, or at least this fucking stock is. I get up out that bitch. I'm about to play with that. That good ass shit.
Finally up on gold. I ain't got much in there, but
Crazy part about it,
yeah.
this bitch dropping. This bitch dropping hard and I'm still up 81 cents. That should be weird as hell.
That's one of them low liquidity pairs, stocks.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. That shit weird. You gotta be, you know what you're looking at. Cause that volume
It's already
increasing.
up
That's
for
why.
months. Probably too.
Yeah, well, better bust up today. You way behind today, Walmart, bro. I need my $100 back. Need my money back.
I don't know what the
Gonna be
fuck
a
is
problem.
going.
Bro, this bitch dropping too hard. Like,
What
come
the
on,
fuck
bro.
dropping?
Recover.
Tesla dropping. Oracle, AVGO popped up a little bit, but no structure just yet. Dutch Bros down.
Find yourself.
Nvidia down by 0.5%. Not too crazy. Netflix down 1.5. Damn, boy. Fuck. Bro, I'm about to shut Netflix, dog. These niggas. It's just money on the low. Dog.
Job well done.
These niggas. And they had I didn't know they had a split on the 17th. God. Yeah, ever since that little dumbass split.
I'm not about to look at the market for the first 10 minutes, bro. This shit look crazy as hell. NFP, yeah.
NFP. But that shouldn't have too much effect on the down stock market, though. I mean, maybe gold. Maybe.
Yeah,
That bitch is stupid volatile. Fucking big bear. Walmart up 0.5%. Don't sound like it's up too much. Halliburton. Walmart breaking out to the upside, though. Continuing on that
right.
break, man. Don't look too
I
bad.
take
RR down 3%. Valero Energy
it.
Corporation down
Yeah,
3%. PL down 2.5%.
crazy work.
TSM and Google up 0.5%. ET
Bro,
keep pushing.
break through Walmart. Don't act like the other side.
Yeah, Walmart need to get over that one. That high 114 up in the 115s.
They finally gave me my buying power. I'm trying to see what I'm getting at. Yeah. Wait, BBAI going crazy.
I was about to say, get into that big bear.
That little bitch busting.
Mm-hmm.
Trying to see if it's gonna do a pullback or something right quick.
That bitch break 650, nigga.
Damn,
$7 is next.
that's a big break. This break 650.
13 cents away. 12 cents away.
Yeah, that bitch definitely busting. God damn. Damn.
It's gonna be at 4%, boy, and it's only fucking 837. See,
Right,
that's another thing too. When that bitch be up like that, like yeah, you gotta like, it's I ain't never really got in and out of markets though with these
I'm gonna see
options.
if it can back or something. Do some type of retreat. This bitch busting, boy.
That bitch is busting, but that bitch 8 cents away now.
That bitch, man. I'm gonna trade something else. That bitch doing too much. Going too fast. You gotta come back for me. Like I said, that's a lower liquid market,
Yeah,
bro.
yeah, very low.
You get in, that bitch probably got a big ass right now.
Look,
There's
nigga,
nobody.
their volume is 1.1 million for them. If I go to Walmart volume, oh damn, they lower. I wonder why.
I'm about to say that sounds like a lot. A million?
Usually it'd be like 10 million. I thought it was gonna be like, wait, Walmart 400,000.
Yeah, they got a $40.
Maybe because it's Friday. But the
They
average,
got
they said the average 30-day volume is 19 million for Walmart, but today is 440,000. So
440,000, and they got a million. Damn, what's
yeah,
going on, BB?
440,000.
Hey, go come back for us. Come back to 620. I think come back to 620 and start going up, man.
Look, Netflix average volume 42 million, but today 900,000. But then you
That's
got
because it's
like
NFP.
Big Bear.
That's,
Damn,
that's,
they volume 1.2 million. They average volume is 89 million. So they got a lot of volume over here, bro.
yeah, they
Compared
bust.
to some of these big ass companies.
Yeah, they
Somebody
bust.
traded.
Here come the comeback. It might be a comeback right here. Uh-huh. If you're interested in that BBAI, yeah, might get a pushback to 620. I'll probably get in at 620. We looking for position.
620. I like that. I like 620. I like
If they
625
come
even
back,
more.
yeah, if they come back around that area, I'll fuck with it.
I wish I would have got in on Monday. That's when that bitch really took off.
Everything bust.
$5. This should have been up 50%. 25%. Big Bear.
Yeah, that bitch not charged too hard. I pull it back.
That OIS, you might want to look at that too, because I was thinking about getting that Oil States International.
OIS.
Yeah, OIS. That was ChatGPT research for like oil drilling, refinery, and like systems
What's
data.
up, Clyde? I'm
They
about to look
volume
up.
low as cheese though. That's the only thing. They volume extreme. That bitch say 21K. Average volume 680K. No millions. And they got
680K. How much volume they got right now?
21K. Like they got very low volume. It's
Oh, that
extremely
bitch,
low.
yeah.
So it's gonna have a lot of jerks, like up, down, like it's like one of the, even the chart look like that. It ain't got really no strong flow. That bitch is like all over the place, like skits and shit. But
oh yeah, it's a thin option chain, bro. You don't really want to fool with those as much because when they move, it's gonna be hard to get in. It's gonna be hard to get out, type shit. Like,
so this one of the ones that just buy the stock if you want to get some upside.
Yeah, type shit. Because the fucking the option chain so thin, which means like there's not that. And I'm looking at the bids. It's probably like 50 people buying, 50 people trying to sell, type shit.
So you
Like,
ain't
you know
gonna have
what I'm
nobody to
saying?
sell to, yeah.
Per contract type shit. It's like, yeah, that bitch gonna be, it's a thin chain. It's a thin chain to deal with. You know what I'm saying? Like, you probably not gonna make as much money even though it's moving, type shit.
Right.
Like, it gotta really move for you, like, for you to bust, type shit. Like, I'm in something like that that's thin and moving, like that bit ain't moved a dollar. You know what I'm saying? And it's been worth like $2. You know what I'm saying? But when that bit moved pennies, I'm not really seeing no movement, type shit. So it's like, really want to just buy those kind of things, you know, if you believe in it. There's not enough volume in it yet. Man, Walmart down bad. I'm just looking at the price.
Straddles and strangles, vertical spreads. They got all kind of shit.
Oh yeah, PL, that's what I'm talking about. That bitch pulled all the way back up. You better want you in your head, bitch. But come on, Walmart, bro. I need you to get the 15 today. For real, for real. It's gonna be me and you. Watch this 15. Watch the 30-minute close. By this next 15-minute close, you gotta be at 1470. 1470.
No options for this OIS shit, boy. Them niggas only got $10 calls, $12 and 50 cents call. That's it.
The baby is busting.
Yeah.
That bitch going crazy. That's crazy.
I gotta look at the baby on a whole nother chart.
Like, the baby, that bitch busting. Everything busting. Hey, everything busting.
7%.
That bitch up 4.9%. BBAI up 4.5%. That bitch at 6.46.
It's an analyst worried about the valuation.
Even if
no profit until 2027 for the baby.
Even if you don't wait until like it even if you like not okay, yeah, that's super BBI. Even if you don't wait till it pull back, you gotta slow down or something. You know what I'm saying? Type shit. And then let me go look at it though. I'm about to go look at the entries. Let you know what I'm saying.
Decent volume, not too bad. We got like this
couple
games. Okay, Netflix starting to get some volume. Nvidia got all the volume, bitch. 4.2 million. 159 30-day average.
Gotta wait for
Nvidia got all of them. Nvidia coming from a little sell-off, starting to buy back up. It ain't really did nothing. Like, it's flat for the day right now. Fxbrosllc ain't got no volume. AVGO good.
Yep, 650. BBI is to 650. Whoever in BBI should be eating right now. Well, your brother should be eating.
Man, I'm in that bitch.
That bitch. Oh, you in there? That bitch moving good?
Fucking right. That's what got my account up. BBI and ET.
Alright. Right.
That's why I said I wish I would have got in Monday. I got in on Wednesday morning. If I'd have got in there Monday, man,
Yeah.
I'd been up like
I've been wanting to get in. My damn buying power, bro. They so trash
you just got it, huh?
today.
Yeah.
When the market busting. Yeah, man, they know what they be doing.
Nah, facts.
I need
Cisco, okay.
Walmart.
Walmart, okay.
Sneak Walmart.
Palantir got some good value. ET, decent. PL, right. Baker Hughes, RR. Damn, RR got 1.3 million, 27 million average. That bitch is trading. Boy, niggas is all over that trade.
You said 27 million average?
Yeah, 27 million average, but 1.3 million today in volume. Like that's active. Like they averages usually a nigga who got 1.3 million, they average be like 50 million, 60 million. They average only 27. So that's a lot of people trading that.
Yeah, I'm waiting. It's
For
still
today's volume to be so high. It's like 1.3 million for today's volume. So active traders. There's a lot of people got that on their watch list.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah,
I
throwing
definitely
money
watch.
into that bitch.
It's either that or BBAI right now. Trying to see which one I'm gonna invest in.
RR look good.
Walmart to 114. Walmart hit 114. Let's go.
Oh, nice. Hold up, they deserve
I'm thinking about Pokemon. Stupid. Yeah, I'm thinking about Pokemon R. BBAI is busting though. I ain't gonna cap, but it's already too high. Like I needed to slow down. Shit.
Man, it's
This
pulling
bitch.
back right now though.
Yeah, I need
1
that
hour.
pullback. I
It's
need
back.
doing a beautiful pullback. Oh yeah, BBI doing a beautiful pullback finally. I knew it was. You just gotta wait for it, bro. That bitch, I'm telling you, that ChatGPT put me on. I sent y'all them notes, bro. That bitch telling you, like, wait for that pullback or wait for it to slow down. And then when it slow down, then you get in. Because, is market basically wait for it to be sure. You need for it to build support and all that. You can't just get in off the rally. Everybody they gonna sell you that ticket for a high price. See what
Right.
I'm saying? But if you wait, nobody buying their ticket. They lowering the price of their ticket. You see what I'm saying? Nobody buy. They trying to sell at these highs, but nobody buying it. You feel me? So then now the market don't went down. They like, oh man, let me lower my ass, man. These niggas ain't. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Ain't nobody taking my ass, man. You know what I'm saying? You gotta let the market come to you. You can't be chasing. Especially when it comes to these low liquid markets. You feel me? You can't do it because it's all psychology, bro. You gotta think psychology with this shit. You can't think. You can't be flustered. You know what I'm saying? You gotta make the other people on the other end flustered.
Because they psychologically trying to trick you out of your position. So you
Make
always
you get
think,
in early.
yeah, you gotta think like how they think. I'm
You
glad I told you
feel me?
didn't. I'm glad you didn't get in OIS. That
Oh
bitch,
no, no, I wasn't about to get in there, boy.
that
I
stupid
told you, I
flat.
looked at the technical.
Yeah, that bitch stupid flat. Like it's not even moving. Like the charts, like that whole dead. Like the market kicked them off the market, like off the stock market. Like that is dead.
Yeah, I'm looking.
That
I
bitch
ain't
said
did nothing.
0.000%.
I've been wanting to do it for this SATS. That bitch busted, boy. This bitch don't do nothing but go up. But that shit just too expensive.
Yeah, it is expensive. Yeah, I would. I don't know. RR did took a real big They really selling off, so niggas took profit on that run up. That's what you doing.
Yeah, now I'm waiting for it to hit the support, but see, that's what I'm telling you about these. You want to
So
buy it, then support. Hmm?
$3
Soon as that bitch hit like 350, 370, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
345, somewhere around there. That's that support. You feel me? You see structure right there. You see that every time it hit this level at 345, 340, that bitch bounce up strong.
yep,
That's how I got to $4. It
yep,
bounced from 345. That's where I want it from. You
yep.
feel I want it where it bounced from. I don't want it from up there. Yeah,
Uh,
look, I can let the retail trader have. I'm big money. Yeah, man.
yeah.
I'm market mover. Yeah, man.
Nah, for real.
Fuck that. Y'all can have it. You hear me? The people that's in there already. You hear me? Yeah, y'all buying power hit already. You hear me? I was not as lucky as you got.
It's still a buying power already.
Yeah, man, I had to wait for my buying power to hit. You hear me? I ain't do no wire transfer. I had did the little card transfer, so they had made me wait 5 business days. It's all gravy though. You hear me? Niggas hate when it's all good, it's all gravy when you're trifling, you know what I'm saying? It's all gravy though.
These niggas. Damn, the volume at 9.7 million for Big Bear. When the hell did it jump up like that?
Cause they see people, you know, they see the market move.
That's crazy.
They
That's
see it.
1 million.
They see it.
Damn, Lyft.
We at
Done.
Walmart. That's what I'm talking about. Fuck everybody else. Walmart gon' pay me. Yeah, man.
Nah, for
Yeah,
real.
man. Let me see.
Euphoria again.
Break,
What that?
breakthrough 115 Walmart by 9:30.
Walmart up 1.3. Come on, Walmart. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Yeah.
man.
Walmart.
Let's go, Walmart. Cut up.
After
I'm joking.
2025.
Oh, Lord. Wait, how my account get up like that? What I did?
Yeah. The nigga got in the big bell. Look
Let
at
me see. Damn, Walmart going crazy. Walmart for real. But I only was up like $20 on Walmart. Then I'm up like 46 on PL for the week. That's why. But it's only up $3 a day.
that. Walmart
All
is
right.
good, man.
Time.
Damn. Got in at 110. You are.
BBAI.
Let me see what Walmart talking about on these options, man.
I'm gonna wait. I gotta continue to wait. Though. I can't get in right now. I'm gonna wait like 5 more minutes on BBAI at the and they are to keep dropping to like 340. Shot it 345. It might not drop that much, but that's just wishful thinking. And I take.
Mm,
Yeah, man.
trade option.
Let me know if BBAI dropped to like 320, 620.
Sure.
Be in that. Show you right.
$44 for
Come on, PL. Come on, bust that. Give me that PL.
yeah. Um,
Man, come on, Walmart, dog. Don't do this.
I wonder how
Hit
well
115. Remember, we had a deal. We talked about this yesterday. We said we're gonna get the market to 115. Now we did 114. I'm gonna wait for this hour to close out. I'm about to roll up. All right, now by the time I get back, we should be looking at something scrap delicious. Right? Right. All right now.
1,300. Ooh, why am I saying give me my money? Damn, boy, yeah, they got that. That's not bad. I'm trying to get this shit.
SATS. Plus.
I got a $40 call that's going to expire today. Should I get it? I kind of want to test it out just to see what it would do. That look good.
Let me go see if they got some good BBAI moves right now. I'm gonna wait for that 9 o'clock for real, but by the time that 9 o'clock close, that volume should be done. Chill. What the volume look like now? I don't even know. I don't have that shit set. BB
9.8 million.
Damn. Ooh, the fucking bruh. The fucking the support is crazy, but not at that level though. The 5.5 support is crazy. But so they plan to push this market BBA down at least to 5.5. We got a lot of support. There's a lot of askers, way more askers right now than there is bidders. At the 6 strike level, strike 6. So let me go look at BBA. So at the $6, you hear me? It shouldn't. It could break under $6. It could get to $6, but it's not gonna break 550. It's not even might not even make it to 550 type shit. That bitch could come back. Basically, it could come back to 620. Based off of what I'm looking at, as far as we got 1.4 thousand people. 1. Well, it's moving. It keep moving. 1.2 thousand now people trying to sell, and we got 114 contracts trying to buy. Oh, this should be moving fast. Yeah, 114, right. Now it's changing. This on another one. On a 6.5 at the money call, they got 6 contracts trying to sell. They even. They both at 500 now. This shit moving.
Yeah,
there's a lot of movement right now though, as you can see.
That's what I'm saying. That volume jumped up. The volume went at no 9 million earlier when we was talking about this shit. That shit just jumped up.
So what I'm saying right now is a lot of uncertainty. You see what I'm saying? Because of that shit moving, is people getting in, people selling, people getting in, people selling.
That bitch hits 651. You knew that?
Yeah, I told you. I didn't say 650.
Oh, I didn't even know. I'm tripping.
Yeah, so there's a lot of uncertainty. Let me see what that damn man. I'm gonna see if I can get. I'm gonna ask for a price of like 95, 95. They'll let me pay 95 for this 5.5 call. I might take that as an end of money call. Let me see. Whatever hit. I'm gonna probably put $1 on it. Let me see. Put like 98 cents on it. Hear me? One contract. Fuck that. Put 95 cents on this shit. I'm risking $95.
95.
And if it hit,
I was about to buy a Walmart card that's expiring today, but that bitch gave me an error message saying like, "This is a day trade. Do you want to do this shit?" I was just gonna test the waters out, see what it do.
Matter of fact, cancel that contract because it's dropping. And I want it for a cheaper price than even that. Yep, I'm greedy.
That nigga said, "This nigga is a real market maker, stupid ass."
You feel me?
Gold, silver up 3%, bitch.
Oh, yeah, it's just gone for the day. You just need to go up. Oh no, it's still working this way. You need to go fast. Come on. You got 30 minutes, Pierre. 30 fucking minutes. Excuse my language.
Fuck
Walmart. Where we be going? Yeah, Walmart.
it.
Walmart.
Yeah.
Walmart. Walmart. Wally, 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 world. What you talking about?
Yeah.
World. Really?
Oh, that bitch busted, boy. Look at Walmart. Come
Ooh.
on, man. Damn, that contract would have been in profit right now. That nigga said, no, bruh. You is day trade. You can't do that. You ain't got 25 bands yet. Chill out. Chill out, fam. Can't do that just yet.
Yeah, man. If this
Now,
bitch don't break out by
Big Bear came
if
down like
this-
a bitch.
yeah, that's what I was saying. That's why I said I'm gonna close that kind. I want it for cheaper than that 95 right now. I'm about to go open a contract right now for the lowest bid. You hear me? Matter of
Yeah,
fact, at that
20.
at that price, I want the lowest bid now. I said 95, but I changed my mind. I want it for it was 80. I want it for
Come down to Big Bear come down to 620, 625.
yeah. I'm gonna ask for 80. I'm gonna get the contract for $80. You hear me? Fuck that. That's what we doing. Market move
Try
shit.
to sell that
I
bitch.
set a fire buy limit. You hear me? They asking right now. How much they asking for that bitch? They asking for 112. Man, I put that bitch to 80. You heard me? They asking for 112.
Nigga said I got a hot 80 for you. That's all I could do.
Y'all crazy.
To
You hear
take
me?
it.
Yeah, man. Take my business somewhere else.
Take it or leave it.
Uh, they gonna drop it. It's at 95 right now. The bid at 95. I put mine at 80, man. I ain't about to play with them. Drop that shit down. You hear me?
Come on, man.
Um, let me
Leave me on
see.
my trade.
Is it dropping?
Hopefully this morning. I ain't trying to wait all day for this shit.
Yeah, man. Ain't nobody about to be playing with them. You hear me?
66.65. That's why I want to take my profit at.
Change my mind, PL. You got 15 minutes the way you're looking. You about to
Yeah,
be,
nah,
about
bro.
to be me, man.
66, 65.
No, Walmart. See, this is what I'm not about to do. Walmart today.
Yeah, Walmart. Yeah, Walmart.
Come on, man. Bust through the top, brother. Don't let them play on your name. That bitch hit that high. That's why. That bitch went to them highs. My thing is, though, my thing is,
Busing off the motherfucking scene.
I'm going to give you like
Take
15 minutes.
off 25% of my AU. And I take some profit off. I already did so much, but that was a good answer. I caught that shit. I only caught that shit because I was looking at the screen. It pays to be up for London.
Wait, so when I had bid, everybody was sitting, huh? What?
Hey, you. Hey, who? That bitch dropping. The fuck?
Yeah. Damn. Crazy work. The dollar working.
Oh,
Damn,
for real, that bitch working.
I know I should have
And a
closed
dollar
Walmart.
going defucker, so that means UJ is flying. Yeah, for the most part.
Man. Walmart started dropping, huh?
That's what
Come
I
on,
was
man. Go
trying
back
to
up.
ask you,
Go fast. My sneak Walmart.
man.
They playing with my money now. You playing with my money? Like playing with my emotions. Good.
New hour. That's why I owe that new hour. So that bitch. All right, AU. I see what you're doing. AU about to drop down. It's gonna hit that area that I was looking to get in buys, and I'm about to get in buys on AU and get in sales on UJ.
Right.
Fuck everybody. That's on my body.
Yeah, PL. Well, I told you, boy, you got 15 minutes. Stop playing with me. You heard me? Yeah, DB. Dropped it at $80. You heard me? Stop playing with me. That $80 bid. You heard me? Drop it 345 for your boy. Fuck that. We going all the way live today.
Planet Labs up 1.2%. I don't know what's going on with ET, man. That bitch been sitting at 0.3% all day.
Man, Walmart that took all the earnings back. Well, it was up 80 something now. That bitch up 47 now. That's why niggas be day trading right there. Niggas said that's why niggas be day trading. They like, I ain't about to play with them. I ain't mad at them, dude. But stuff like Walmart, boy, I be wanting to see. You heard me? Like what that bitch said, I'm trying to see if
Big
it can hit
Bear,
100%.
9.9 million in volume. That bitch about to hit 10 M's. 9.98 to be exact.
I'm just wanting that bitch to keep dropping a little bit more.
Walmart just jumped in volume, 2.7 million. Again, active. All the retail traders finally woke up. Stupid ass. Buy, sell.
Go fast. They be late.
Late in the bitch.
I'm really a market mover though. So when I had put that $95 ask, boy, everybody, a whole bid section moved to 95. That bit because it was at 80. And now when I put the 80 bid, that bit still say 95. Everybody say, man,
like, who is this
nigga.
dude, man?
Yeah, I
Like they
done
got
messed
a
the whole
whole new
market.
market maker in the room. Who is this nigga,
I done
man?
messed the whole market. Man, I need PL to move, bro. This bitch must be losing buku volume or something, because every second, this bitch ain't giving me just losing dollars, but that bitch in the same spot type shit. Go up, bitch, before I slap the shit out you.
Yeah, wick down. Well, it should be pushing up. The volume 1.3 million, 12 million average for the 30 day.
I'm about to start slapping this shit.
Planet Labs. The buyers are definitely in because if it was the sellers was in, that bitch would have been down at $22 flat.
Man, I wish I had enough money for the baby contract, bro. This bitch don't do nothing but just rise like the sun in the morning, dog. Real, dog. This bitch up like $5, $7.
Let me see.
This up. This bitch up
Damn,
680, bitch.
7.5%.
7%. All right, crazy, bro.
4.7 million volume with a 14 average.
Crazy.
Yeah, they going crazy today. This is well over the daily average. Fuck the monthly average. It's
Sit down. Keep on saying sit down.
10%.
Nigga walking around. Peace.
330% in 1 year. Damn, I'm looking at that hoe. That hoe just going the fuck up. Yeah, you ain't never lying, boy.
Yeah, bro. All right, PL. Come up.
Damn, that bitch going up, boy. I just got on that bitch and said it was 7. That hoe up 10%. Not down. That's crazy.
Bro. That's the play right there.
That bitch
That bitch be the play, bro. That bitch be the play, bro. Every time, bro. every day. I wish I had enough money. Boy, that would be like $800 contract. You hear me? I'm about to put my bank account in this bitch. You hear me? Not today though. No. The reason I'm saying because it's Friday type shit. It don't make no sense. Like,
Yeah. I want to lock your money
yeah,
up over the
and this shit
weekend.
already moved. Yeah, man. I guess I'm gonna move my shit back to 95 since I done made the market move to 95. You hear me? I ain't mad at it. I'm gonna move my shit to 90. Fuck that.
Damn, VLO down 3.5%. The fuck? It should be going up, bitch.
All right, come
Yeah,
on.
AU. Sweep that 50%. I knew it was gonna do it, you hear me? I know my pair, bitch.
I'm joked out.
I'm about to buy the fuck out of AU. I think they're gonna go down a little bit more.
Yeah, that bitch looks strong. This is definitely the spot where the support is. See what I'm saying? All you gotta do, man, boy, let this 5 minute close on the doji. It's already trying to close green. You hear me? Put a stop loss right under that bitch. You hear me? Something slight. Just to see. You hear me? You gotta be testing them hoes, dog.
No, you definitely
Wait for
got
that
to.
15.
Definitely
That 15 minute to I mean, I wouldn't say too that bitch that 15 minute like selling like motherfucker. That's why I went to the 5 minute. I'm looking at it in my doji, close green. You know what I'm saying? I
got
don't
to.
know. I ain't gonna call it. That bitch look crazy.
Check out some more of
But
that
that's
bitch.
why you gotta have your stop. That's why you gotta have everything already set. You feel me? You
Yeah,
ain't
you
gotta
should
worry
know
about
where
it.
you
You'll
want
be
to get
in,
out.
buying them and slap.
You should already know before you pull the trigger where you want to get out, where you want to take profit, where you want to be wrong at. Like all that shit should. You should actually be able to
Like,
see it in structure.
like if you in right now, if you get in 666, that's the I put my stop loss right under that 6659 or something. You know what I'm saying?
Yep,
Right there under that loop.
that's where
And just look,
my
play
last
this
take
level.
profit at. So that's
Tell
what I'm
me,
looking to get in. Just
the
flip that
market
up.
ain't trying to.
It's about to be
At
a three.
least I don't think the market trying to go under that, dog. Yeah, BBAI dropped bit. Oh, my bad. Not. Oh, it's gonna go back up. I, I'm just trying to get in.
That nigga said, "Oh my bad."
I'm just trying to get in. Shit.
Oh man.
No harm, no foul.
Nah, I gotta lose money for you to get in. I understand.
I mean, shit, this is gonna happen anyway. Goddamn. Walmart did it the same thing. It's gonna go back up. You know,
Nah,
just gotta
Walmart really went
come.
back up too.
You gotta come pick me up in the bus. Damn, little baby, what the fuck?
What it do?
That bitch is like you said. That bitch 10%. That's
I told you.
crazy.
I told you. I told you, bro. I seen it cross 10%. That bitch went up to 10 and just dropped from there a little bit, but it's not an all-time high for it. No, I'm about to say. Yeah, it should show close to $100.
100. I built on went to 100 something.
Yeah, a little over 100.
See, this could be the problem I be having with PL, bro. This bitch positive on the day, and I'm negative. But when it was negative, I was positive. What the fuck? That's weird, bro. I be hating shit like that, bro.
That
Like,
volume, man.
that shit weird, bro.
That
I should
motherfucker.
be up. This bitch busting right now. I ain't, it's just, my shit not even moving. Like,
On
my shit
PL,
say up. Yeah, I say it's up 54 cents, 62 cents now on the day. And my shit say -$9. This what the fuck?
maybe it's trying to pull you out
How
of
much
your
IVP
losses
that
from
bitch now?
early
That
days.
IV lost. That bitch lost Buku IV like IVP, but it's like, bro, come on, bro. It's been moving. Let's go. Let's get it done. Let's get the IV back moving. It's been better make a new high today. 24. Yeah, man. Yeah, well, Mark. Tell them stop playing with you. I believed in you when you started going down. I was a little scared, but I ain't no more. But I do need you to close above this high. Like, yeah, that right there. Keep going. Close above 1480, my boy. 1480 in the next 15 minutes. I'm going to get the gap, get the gap, get the gap.
That is right there.
Yeah, it's right there. Go plan. That big plan. That's why I'm going to get the gap right there. I just want to play. All right. Keep playing. Now PL up $30. You hear me?
PL.
Nah, now I'm up $30, I'm saying.
Oh, I thought you meant the stock was up there. I'm like, boy, they
No,
know what
remember I was saying I'm
I'm
the down? Yeah, no, indeed, no, boy.
I'm about to
I'll
say,
be
nigga, he a
up up
millionaire.
there. Yeah, nigga, I'm lit. You hear me? I got at least a good 1,000 in there. You hear me?
Nah, for real.
Or at the least a good 1,000. Um, but nah, I was saying that bitch finally started showing me like my fucking money going up. What the
I
fuck?
mean, it's up
So,
3%. It got to do something.
yeah, bro, something. You hear
Big
me?
gap
Stop
coming
playing.
down, just like I said it was.
Just
It's
yeah,
a good buy for you to
just
get in.
how
You
I
got in
need
big
it.
already?
No, they still got that bid at. Oh damn, it's way more sellers than buyers right now. That
Yeah,
value and
but it's gonna flip though. Like I said, 625, 620. I think everybody gonna buy again right there.
I got a buy limit in, but they ain't hit yet. Let me see. I got my ask is 90. A lot of people bids is 95, and I just put my bid at 90, and I'm just waiting for it to get slapped. If it don't, it don't. Um, type stuff. I'm about to. Oh yeah, PL bus baby. Do what you do best. You too, Walmart, because y'all too. I believed it from the beginning of the week. You hear me? And I've been told people. You hear me? BBAI just didn't have enough money for you, brother. But I do now. You hear me? So all you gotta do is act right. Yeah, we have 17%. Let's go. I'm about to close everything. Fuck that. Nigga said I'm about to close everything. Fuck that. You hear me? But come on, Walmart, bro. You gotta break through, bro. He lives in you. I'm away. I'm away. I'm away. He lives in you. I'm away. He watches over.
Needs to break structure. Need to get back over 640. Not sure what you're reaching for. A big bear. Fuck up. AVGO, Oracle, Tesla, all up. Tech stocks are making a comeback. Nvidia starting to come back. Dutch Bros positive. Microsoft down 0.5%. Everything's starting to slide back. Cisco is flat. Walmart is over 1.5. 114.7. Trying to get to over that 80. There we go. Just hit it. 20 cents away. Come on, Big Bear. Show bitch ass back over 4%. Nigga. 114.81. Walmart still pushing 19 cents from 115. 18 cents. I mean, from 115. 17 cents. 15 cents. Damn. Walmart running. Hold on. Oh my God, Walmart. 17. Go back the other way. You're doing so good. 15. Walmart is volatile right now. Is the volume going up? Hell yeah. 4.4 million. Damn, boy, I wish I was in Walmart. I ain't gonna lie to you. I missed that shit. Come on, ET. Let's see you trying to grind it up. PL up 4%. Looking good. RR is flat. Got back all the losses. Everybody trying to climb out of the losses. Those just buying opportunities early in the morning. AU. Oh man. What are we doing? What's up? You back?
Yeah, you can hear me, bro?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
That shit blowing the fuck out of me. Shit stupid as fuck. I'm probably gonna switch out BBAI for RR. Let me see. Let me make sure that's what I'm gonna do.
Man, don't do it, man.
Lie.
More buyers. Come on, man. Buy BBAI.
That bitch moved already, dog.
More buyers.
And they ain't taking my 90. He want $1.07. No, let me see though. On a serious tip. It says 0% IVP, which is insane. Which means that bitch could start busting on the IVP. Let me see the 4 hour. Okay, let me see the 4 hour. Yeah. Yeah, I'm looking at RR. Just look like it got so much it could do. Yeah, compared to BBAI. Kind of. Well, that bitch still got more to do too. That bitch on the downtrend.
Let me see what
It's been on this downtrend, but it hit that support and started bouncing up. Went to 650. think I'm gonna just switch out for RR for right
6
now until
hours
I
left.
figure out other things.
We are selling.
Let's see. Let's go to the watch list.
Daily 4.
Let's see. Come on, show me the money. Show me the money. How much I got? 101. Type niggas y'all there.
That's the key.
Mm-hmm. 111 ask. Oh, look, I got $100 right now till I close out something else. Oh, wait, hold on. Bam, I'm in. Let's go. I like RR. They put me in quick. They like me over there. They took my $100 and they said, well, I did put a whole 100 on it. Yeah, nigga said I did put
That
a
volume up.
100.
I'm at 6 million in volume right now. That's why I took this shit.
Yeah.
So we got it.
Yeah, bro.
Look at Walmart, 5 cents away from 115.
Oh yeah, my player are too.
So
The bid is 1.6K with the size 115. Walmart just hit all my alert. Let's go. With the ask is 139. I just made a fire call on gotta be looking at the numbers. Let's go back.
numbers. Damn, man. I
All
wish
right.
I was doing that shit with y'all. I ain't gonna lie.
Damn, what happened? Why you ain't getting that?
I ain't have enough. I got BBAI, ET. I got them hoes out to like the end of the year. I got stupid long ass contracts on them.
Oh, you doing big money shit.
Yeah, I'm trying
to hit them. Man, I ain't even gonna lie, bro. I'm little money like a motherfucker.
No,
Yeah,
I'm
man.
gonna fuck with it though. The next check, I'm gonna do some 1 month, 2
Whatever I
month
can get
buyers
out
on
there.
Walmart. I ain't got that much buying power right now. I'm good, but now that bitch is running. Lord, it's running. That's good though. That's what we want. I want that bitch to go all the way to fucking 180, bitch.
All right, cool. All right, I'm set for the day. Now I just gotta see what Walmart gonna do, what all my players gonna do, because I might close them out at the end of the day, but at the same time, I don't know. See, I'm thinking I'm gonna close out Walmart because the contract expire next week, and when them contracts get closed, that day to start slapping your ass. And like today, like I'm at 115. This is what I'm saying. I was up $100 the other day. Well, no, let me see. I'm actually in reality. Yeah, I was up like this the other day, bro. You know what I'm saying? If I would have closed that, got back in at 112, got back in right where you know what I'm saying? It would have just be better. Like niggas got to get out of these plays. Not your long term, but like these shorter, like month, 2 weeks, 3 week contracts. You make that $100. All right, deuces. You know what I'm saying? Turn to Chris Brown in that bitch. Bloom, 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 bloom. You hear me? Bloom, 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 bloom. They talking about deuces. You feel me? You gotta get up out of there. Nah, I'm gonna give it 15 more minutes. I'm gonna give it 15. I don't like. Now, don't get me wrong. Even though I got the 100 and I'm talking that shit, but I don't like to get out me. I don't give a fuck what nobody say. I'm waiting to make sure this bitch done. You hear me?
Yeah.
Personally, look, still going. Let my goof ass would have got out. Fuck that. I need all the dollars. This dollar for scholar around this bitch. Yeah, man. I need all the free money that the little kids want to give me. All the little retail traders want to give out.
66.80. I'm about to get into another sell on AU. Fuck it. I don't think that bitch going up this shit. Bam.
Damn. See what I was saying, though? Remember what I told you? Buy at that low, bro. With the 5-minute doji. I said, wait for the 5-minute doji. As soon as that bitch closed, put a stop loss at the bottom of that doji, bro. What it did? That bitch busting, you'll be up how many pips right now? A pip?
He said how many pips right now? A pip?
Almost.
Nah, shit, that would be a 15 pips on AU.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm looking at, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. I should have took my call. You feel me? Fuck, I'm saying this shit that simple, bro. Like, literally, that bitch was at the low. It was matching the 4-hour low, bro. That's how I knew. I'm looking at the 4-hour. I'm looking at how it's matching those lows. That bitch, it do a 5-minute doji in that fucking spot. Why am I not in there? That stop loss would have been like $3, $5.
Yep.
You would have been up like $15. And that's what I'm looking at, bro. Like, and it still could go. You know what I'm saying? Not saying it's not gonna go. I mean, not saying it is. You know, but I'm saying it still could go. Like you gotta take that chance, bro. This shit is janky like that. Like how I looked at that 15-minute and I'm like, ooh, that 15-minute look dangerous though. But I say I'm gonna go and zoom in. I said that 5-minute, if it doji right here, you good for the buy, bro. Look at that bitch, bro. I mean, damn, son. I'm tripping because like, nigga, this is what I was talking about earlier before we even looked at it. You know what I'm saying? Right. That's what I was saying. If nigga just had a buy limit already right there. You know what I mean? You would have been tapped in, not even worrying about the doji. Fuck, it's already in. It's good. That shit crazy though, bro. That shit crazy. This shit that simple. You hear me? I'm about to be done close these bitches out. They playing, huh? Walmart playing. Goof. PL playing. Goof. I'm gonna give them like 30 minutes though. Yeah, let's see what they do. Yeah, that bitch at 115. But
damn,
you know, it's losing
4.5%.
Yeah, Big Bill.
Yeah, that bitch came out of nowhere.
Oh yeah, it's back. It's busting back up. That bitch gonna bust back up.
Damn.
That bitch busting today, bro. Crazy. Crazy numbers. They ain't want to slap me in. You know what I mean? Nigga said they ain't want to slap me in.
Let's see.
Yeah, I should have got back and got in over there. Damn. What y'all?
I'm only up 4% for the day in my whole account. That's because the ET trade ain't doing too good. I mean, it's doing good. It's just that it's only up 0.5% today. Ain't really moving. And that's the one I thought was gonna be moving. Shit, with all this Venezuela shit going on. I thought ET was gonna be running.
Oh man, man. I need this bitch to hit 116. Let's go. We being greedy today.
Yeah.
NFP day.
120. Let's go.
120. This week. Yeah.
This week.
Talking about
it's Friday like a motherfucker.
Right now today. Right now today. We need that. I'm really about to be done closed though, bro. This bitch playing at this high at 115. That bitch look like it's. I'm gonna give it 15 minutes though.
All I need ET to get a contract with Venezuela. With some Venezuela company to transport natural gas or oil or something like that. That'd be good. Question is, I don't think we might get that next ChatGPT.
I'm about to go close out PL for the week. Call that. I ain't got time to be playing. I'm up $40, $30, something like that on the day. You know what I mean? I just need a good closeout for the day this bitch playing. $48, boy. I'll take that 48. Let me see what I'm up all the way. $91 on that play. Hell yeah. 91. Yeah, before it started busting. And Walmart playing too. Yup. Alright. Damn, Walmart. I'm trying to get these bitches 15-minute closes, but boy, they is playing with my emotions. And especially Walmart. That bitch, I told you, that bitch at that high, that 115, bro. That bitch ain't gonna do too much in a day. This ain't no, we ain't never seen Walmart do 2% like they talk about it, you know. In a day, that bitch done already did the 1.82% type shit. That bitch gonna try to do some pullbacks. I'm gonna watch him. I'm gonna give him the benefit of my doubt. What that bitch said, but what Chad said, you're gonna be sitting there trying to get 100%. You heard me? Can't be sitting there trying to get 100%, dog. You heard me? Not saying it can't come. It's just like, man, you know, secure that profit, bro. Securing profit is where it's at. You see that shit dropping? You know what I mean? It ain't break no structure yet, though, so I'm just waiting, but I'm gonna give it like 15, like I said, but yeah, man.
Chevron. What's Chevron doing?
Chevron is up 0.7%, 70%, 78%. Netflix down 1.7%.
Yeah, bro, I want to short Netflix so bad, bro.
I don't see why you're not. I'm gonna do it for you. Let me look at the.
Like, I ain't never
short
short yet. I just want to see.
It's damn near the support now, but though, it's about to make it to the support. It's time to damn near buy it at 83, 85. I'll be looking to buy that bitch. It's about 5 points, well, about $5 away from what nigga need to be looking to buy it.
Chevron already got license to ship Venezuelan
Damn, Google
oil.
going crazy. Let's see. And Microsoft drop still as Nvidia still some ass. Tesla up $7 today.
Yeah,
just broke through
it. Probably like 0.5%.
Just broke through a significant level.
Oh, 1.1.5%.
I'll wait for the daily. I mean, I'll wait for next week for Tesla. See what they do today. And possibly look into it next week. Yeah, Walmart start dropping that bitch 114.80. That's what I'm talking about. Come on, bitch. You got 5 minutes to get your shit together.
Let's see. Market remain cautious. Venezuela, all the infrastructure is degraded. Pressure is far below historical levels, and rebuilding will take years and significant capital. Energy Transfer is a midstream company, meaning it focuses on pipelines, storage terminals, and transportation of oil and gas, not production or refining itself. Potential and direct benefits increase U.S. crude flows. If Venezuelan crude start flowing into U.S. Gulf Coast, it could raise demand for midstream infrastructure to transport and store that crude domestically. ET owns extensive pipelines and terminals in the Gulf and Gulf Coast systems that could support higher throughput volumes and fees, particularly on pipelines linking import terminals to refineries. More Venezuelan crude delivered into U.S. could feed refiners that are customers of midstream networks, potentially boosting downstream product demand and therefore transportation activity for midstream companies. So a company like ET is going to see a boom if they are chosen to transport that oil through their pipelines from Venezuela into the southern states. But here's why ET might not be a direct winner from Venezuela specifically. Most direct investment opportunities emerging from Venezuela are in production, repair, and exploration, as infrastructure needs rebuilding and heavy crude production must be restored. Major oil producers Chevron, Exxon, ConocoPhillips, and service companies are more directly tied to that work. ET doesn't operate production assets in Venezuela. It's not positioned to extract and export crude from there. Okay, well, that shit can change. And if it changes, nigga, we are in a good position, bitch.
So what happened? What you just read? I'm sorry.
I was reading to see if and how ET energy transfer could be involved with the Venezuelan oil transfer, that oil takeover. And they said the only way they could is if they use their pipelines to transfer oil and I guess natural gas or whatever, if they got that. But for sure oil from Venezuela. But they also saying that they're not directly connected to the Venezuela, so it would just be like it's like a midstream. So companies like Chevron, Conoco, and Texaco, whatever the fuck, will use them to, I guess, help transport the fuel, like just additional help type shit instead of like. Basically, I think they too small to do what a Chevron and Exxon car do. They can only be support. So if it get hefty, it's a good chance a company like ET could get put in position to start, being a throughput for oil coming out of Venezuela. But it's kind of up in the air right now. It's too soon to tell.
Okay.
And they say Venezuela, they got to go through a lot of repairs. Like they production is at all-time lows because all they systems and machines and shit are like broke down, old, need repair, out of commission, all this shit. So they got to spend money just to get everything back running so they can pull the oil out the damn ground.
Like, so why this shit so old?
I don't know. They said, but Chevron is already out there. So if you want to invest in somebody that's going to get direct access to this bread, it's Chevron, because they said they're already out there and they got the rights to export Venezuelan oil already. So they good. They the ones that's gonna see the most upside, like now, off this shit.
Oh man, I know I should have got out PL with my fault or something. Now this bitch up Thursday. Let's see if it go up to 5 minutes. That's why you gotta exit some of it, especially those low liquid fucking shits like PL, bro. Let's see.
PL.
A bitch look like on a 5 minute it may try to recover, which is what I need. It's what I need. It's what I want.
Yeah, I think that. As long as high is getting broken on the 5 minute, you good for continuation on the bullishness. I mean, it looked good on the 4 hour, the 1 hour, because of that damn rejection from the lows that it did. That's all buyers right there.
Yeah, it's buying up right now. That's what I need. That's what I want.
All buyers, stupid.
Huh?
Yeah, look. That's my worst stock on my list. And that's the one I was bucked up about.
What?
Valero. Valero Energy Corporation.
Yeah, the gas station.
Yeah, but it's like specifically them. They do VLO is in the refining. So they the ones that once you get the gas out the ground, you go refine that hoe. and make it into gasoline from the oil. And they some of the big dogs. Marathon Petroleum and
Yeah, bro,
Valero.
it's time to close these bitches. Everything dropping now. Yep. Walmart blowing it. That bitch back under the fucking line. 14.
Like
114.70.
driver refining margins correct.
But you got 5 minutes, Walmart. 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Not even, but you got 3.
FXBros Scully was out.
What's
What's up, brothers? Happy Friday.
What's good, man? What's good?
Man,
It's
you missed the
counting
celebration. Walmart cracked 115. We was popping bottles.
You heard me? It need to go back to 115. You heard me? You not in Walmart? You in there?
Yeah, man. Shout out to you.
Yeah, BBAI busting too. Yeah, man. Yeah, we ain't playing. We ain't playing with them. Let's see.
Let's go.
BBL there.
Damn. All right, played me. That bitch played me.
R, damn. But I think it started down already. Yeah, they're taking profit on RR. But that's gonna be a week.
I'm closing out before the day out. Know that much because I don't want to hold nothing over the weekend. Too much. Not with these little plays.
685. What are we doing? AU.
I just need to see more volume. Just need you to do more, baby. Yeah, I'm about to close PL. That bitch blowing me. You got 2 minutes. You got 2 minutes to get your shit. Not even, but you got 30 seconds. Walmart too. I'm about to close both of them bitches. I ain't got time to be playing.
Nigga, they got 10 minutes.
Not for me. I'm about to play with this shit.
Can't wait for that ball.
Especially not PL. This bitch dropping like nobody's business. And it's
it's been a both sides of the field for NFP. Buyers won and sellers won, depending on how long you was in the trade. Though.
Crazy work today, boy. Nigga said they got 10 minutes. Well,
before the hour closed.
I know. I know what you're saying. I know what I'm about to do. I already lost buku profit weight.
Let's see what the dollar is doing. It's probably dropping. As they use continuously going up, which is okay. But it's all good. It's all good. The whole I was about to close out this hour, AU.
How we about to close out this hour, Walmart? Oh, shit.
15-minute, no. 1 hour, no. 4 hour. Got 2 hours left for 4 hours. I'm not worried about that. $66.90. I'm out. I'm done. I'm done for sales.
Oh yeah, PL, you gotta go, baby. Nah, I lost $20 fucking with you all day. I was up $9 on it. Goddamn stock. That bitch steadily dropping. Oh yeah, time to go. Ain't nothing to review, baby. Close that. Let's go. Let's go.
Crazy, boy. Broadcom up 3%. Big ass company. Up 3%. That's powerful.
Now what you doing, Walmart? You blowing it too? Closing this bitch out too. I ain't about to play with you. I'm about to play with none of y'all. Need this buying power, dog. I'm already. I was up fucking 20% on the day, nigga. Up 14%. Y'all blind. I'm about to play with y'all. Yeah, man. Telling you, Walmart. Dip under there if you want to again. I'm gonna show you a stupid ass. You could play bounce music if you want to.
Bounce, biggity, bounce, biggity, bounce, 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 biggity, bounce.
Dip in and all that. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna dip my ass up out this mother. And come back in at the low. You heard me? Yeah, it look like it ready to drop. I just close it, come back in. You heard me? Because I'm just steadily losing.
Little big bag. Damn. Well, Big Bear's a buy, boy. That bitch came all the way down to 623, 622.
Yeah, I got some buying power. I just closed out 2 calls. You heard me?
Man, that bitch was up 4%. Now that bitch up 0.8%.
Nice. Niggas said nice.
Nice.
Very fucking nice. This is what I needed. RR dropping on me too, though. Fuck. Stupid bitch.
Yeah, all that volume leaving. That's why niggas lunchtime. No, it ain't lunchtime.
That's why I got out of Walmart. I ain't about to play with that shit. Bitch could go up all it want. Yeah, man. Guess what? I ain't got time for. I'm not about to play with that shit, bro. You heard me? That bitch keep dipping. I told you that bitch dip under that line one more time. I was meant to wait for that 5 minutes to close. I couldn't deal with it, bro.
ET
doing too much.
ET held 0.5% the whole day. I respect it.
Walmart ain't about to do no more than that 1%, that 2% like that for real.
Yeah, it's Friday. I mean, niggas already trying to squeeze out as much as they can. AVGO took all the money. That's who to blame. Them niggas up 3%. They're Broadcom, big ass company. What's this market cap? Yeah, 1.6 T's, man. And these niggas up 3%. That's where all the money at right now.
Who?
Broadcom, AVGO. Them niggas up 3%. Like they're one of the largest companies in the world, and they up 3%. That's where all the money at right now. That's why you not making that. I'm not making it. They got all the damn money.
3%.
3%. That's big for Broadcom.
What's the ticker?
AVGO.
The AVGO clinic.
You heard me.
Let me see. You said it's only up a few cents.
Huh?
It's only up a few cents. I might be looking at the ABGO.
AVGO, as in Victor.
AVGO.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it. Found that. All right. This looks more like it.
Broadcom.
It's hitting that support level. So it hit that support. Now it's buying up from them lows. You know what I'm saying? Same shit, bro. Same shit. Different talk. Let me go look at this shit. See if they work buying right.
7.2 million in volume, 35 million 30-day average. Like
right now?
Right now. Like
72 million in volume?
No, 7.2 million, which is still high, but 35
these damn stock, all these shits, 1,400 for January 30th.
Yeah, bro, it's expensive, but that's a lot of money in Broadcom. They must be something must be happening that's not being reported right now.
The IVP is 1%. Ain't no way.
Them niggas just gotta
that shit not cheap. Cause they said it's supposed to be IVP 1%. Don't look like it. That should look expensive as fuck. All right, Walmart dropped down to $12. My bad, Scully, but it must be done. Walmart dropped down to 13, 12.50. You hear me?
Wait, what happened? Why are you going against Walmart?
Walmart, because I got out, bitch. I need that bitch to come back to 12.50.
Nah, he said because I got
Walmart back to 12.50, man. Let's go.
Nah, they can just buy back in right now. Still,
fuck no, that bitch dropping.
That bitch gone.
Fuck no. I should have held PL though, because that bitch just an uptrender, bro. That bitch is gonna keep going and keep going. But this bitch, the hour closed so nasty. I don't like it.
Oracle stocks increased 2.9% after its U.S. joint venture gained control of TikTok's U.S. operation, boosting Oracle's cloud business and enhancing its data security service. Damn. So Oracle and Broadcom got all the bread. Them niggas up 3% too.
Oracle up 3%?
Oracle up 3%. That nigga Larry Ellison is probably the richest man in the world right now.
I'm joked up. Put up $5. Let me see. Look good.
Oracle.
It's doing something. Doing a little something.
Market cap. Damn, they only half a trillion. That's crazy. They got a lot of room to grow, boy.
Well, looking at though. BBAI.
Yeah, Oracle got a lot of room to grow, bro. I would damn, dog. If I was a millionaire, that's what I would be investing in. Oracle.
SLB still busting. I'll wait for Oracle to do a quick pullback. BBAI gave me my little pullback, so I'm gonna see if I can get in right quick.
Man, BBAI was a buy. Fuck that. I ain't like that bitch dropping that low, but we talked about it and it pulled back to that buying area at 125, 123.
Right. Let's see if I can get a quick contract.
That was good.
95. Ask right quick.
Can't complain about that.
Thinking this bitch gonna
AU added to sales on AU. Fuck them niggas. I ain't buy it yet.
Come on, man. Y'all let me BBAI. Stop playing. See, that's why I don't fuck with y'all. Y'all want me to pay the ass, but bitch, I ain't paying the ass. Y'all got me fucked up. See, RR never do me like that. You greedy bitches. I'm sitting at 95. Fuck y'all. Nah, what y'all gonna do? Y'all gonna come bring that bitch back down. I'm looking at it. Lucky I'm willing to pay 95.
Job
Put this
data, the
shit
news was bad. If
for
you're
who?
wondering, the news was bad.
Bad for who?
Just the job market, the job data news it wasn't positive. Let me see if I
Man,
can pull
cancel
it up.
that shit. Cancel BBAI. Fuck them.
I don't cancel them yet. Them niggas, non-farm payroll drop, unemployment rate drop, which is a good thing, but they drop by much. It's still kind of high with that shit.
Let's see.
But there's a lot of other people doing way worse than we are. I know Europe going through it, boy. We got to see a whole lot of European people moving to America. Come on, you. Don't make me regret it.
Y'all about to make me bring my ass down to 90 now. Y'all playing with me. Matter of fact, bring my shit to 88. I don't want to spend more than $88 on BBAI. Nah, y'all bitches won't play. Wait, what? Yeah, that's right. All right, cool.
One more minute left. I'll wait. I'll be patient. I'm gonna make no irrational decisions. You hear me? I'll be patient on this bitch. But yeah, the news was bad, man. Non-farm payroll, it was off by damn 10,000 jobs. It was dropping. It's dropping that pay. A monthly employment report produced by the first Friday of every month. Non-farm payroll has a significant impact on the value of the U.S. dollar and the bond market and the stock market. As per the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the current employee statistics CES program conducts surveys of approximately 114 businesses and government agencies, which represent about 486,000 individual work sites, in order to provide detailed industry data on employment hours and earnings of workers on non-farm or high. Yada yada.
Nancy Johnson, a family company. Hit that bitch a whole commercial.
Nah, for
real. Joked out.
No. Zero private. What about that private shit?
Now PL gonna start busting 5 points PL in the head. I need that bit to come down. For real, I want that bit to come down to 22. Back to 22 or something. Come on, Walmart, 12.50, baby. We need you at 12.
This nigga
Buku
scalping Walmart.
Buku trash, but it must be done.
Scalping Walmart.
Man, this be that bullshit. I get out PL, this bitch start busting. Stupid bitches. Let's see what's going on with my BBAI move, man. Y'all not trying to let me in. What's going on? Let's see. I'm like that bit there today, 2%. APLD did it. Fucking numbers. Numbers. I didn't even realize it was 10 o'clock. I got somewhere to go. Scoot. I'm about to head out the door. All right, this was fun.
I gave it all up, huh?
Yeah, I had to close everything though today. I ain't tripping, bro. Let me see how much I made this week. If I just count what I closed out.
Okay. Nice week.
150, 170, something like that.
170,000. Nice week.
170,000, yeah, something like that.
Something light, you know what I mean?
Something slight, you know. 170K for the day. You know. Huh?
I said that new boat is coming soon.
Hey, yacht. It's a yacht, actually.
It's a yacht.
Yeah.
Said the yacht.
A boat is what it's not. You feel me? It's a yacht.
It's a yacht.
Yes,
nigga.
sir.
Real
tough. Yeah, man. We doing it big, baby. All right. Might go watch 2 movies, Avatar and Marty Supreme.
Marty Supreme.
Yeah, it's a little ping pong movie with your boy from Doom that been talking about, wear orange. I'm gonna wear the orange with the orange ping pong ball.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I know you seen the. I know you seen the advertising for this movie. You heard me? That boy. That's why I'm watching. That boy did crazy advertising for the movie, and I heard it was good.
Nah, that's what's up.
But nigga, you know I watch everything. I go watch all the fucking movies.
Yeah, all the movies your ass in.
I'm joked out, bruh.
Look at me.
I was at the home and now it's facts. Nigga at the home and crib the other day. They ain't know I was one of them ain't know I was in the emancipation. Nigga put that bitch on. Nigga said, you in that bitch? Nigga put that bitch on. They got me on that bitch center screen. You hear me? I ain't even know they had me on that like that. Bitch, I'm watching a movie. They got me on that bitch center screen on the frame by myself. Nobody else on there. I'm like, damn.
You gotta frame that bitch. Screenshot and frame it.
What you said?
I said, then you gotta screenshot that and frame it. Yeah. But yeah, man. I don't think it's probably worth it to stay on here no longer. I know lunchtime is coming up for New Yorkers, so it's Friday too, so it's lunchtime for the week. Okay. It's Friday. Shit, about to take a chill pill and relax.
Damn, I'm on 20%. Look at my damn phone charger.
But yeah, we'll be back on Friday. On Sunday, and talk about this week. Go over this week. Catch up on notes and shit.
Alrighty, man. But yeah, man. You heard me. Remember these options. If you're listening, and these options, bro, they play a little bit different than anything else. Like especially if you messing with them low liquid ones, you might start negative if that spread is too big. You gotta look at the bids, look at the ask. Is there more bids than ask? Because if there's more bids, that means you might have a little bit more support at your level. Like more people willing to buy at that level,
right?
Rather than sell it, So that's good signs to buy. So if your fundamentals show already, you add that as a confirmation. It's like, okay, is it for sure? It's a goer. It's a goer. Yeah, but it's all about growing your account, man. You know what I'm saying? Not
not trying to hold these things for 300% and 1,000. Unless you got a leap option, man, you don't need to be trying to do none of that. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
You ain't got it for the leap, Pete. You heard me?
Yeah. Don't be too cheap if you ain't got it for the leap.
You heard me? Yeah, man. Don't be too greedy either. You feel me? Even though it ain't right. But get the money and go. Like I said, I think I made about 170 on them 2 calls. You heard me?
Yeah.
PL and Walmart for the week. I just got those 2 on Tuesday and called it. That was it. And it's Friday, closing out. You know what I'm saying? And I had these contracts for 2-3 weeks. Well, Walmart was supposed to close next week, so I'm just like, let me get out of there for sure. PL, I could have probably held, but at the same time, I'm just looking at it as, man, right now, I just want to probably hold trades for a week, get my money, get out, come back next week. Because right now I'm trying to build profit. I'm trying to build foundation so I could have 1,000 in my account. You know what I'm saying? So then we could do, now we looking at bigger plays. Now I could get in these leaps with y'all. Now I could do, you know what I'm saying, once I have racks in my account, but I can't do that if I'm not making, hundreds in a week or whatever the case may be. Like that Walmart play, bro. If I would have took that 100 on that first day, closed that out, when that bit dropped to 12, I could have got right back in at my same position, caught the next 100. See what I'm saying? And I would have been up even more this week. So don't be afraid to take those.
115, man.
Yeah, because if I would have got out, I would have made that 100. Then it came back to 110. I think it went back to 110. Well, I wish I had more money because I wanted to buy at the 110, even though I was in the contract already. Well, I wanted another one. You heard me? Yeah. But I couldn't get it because I was maxed out, and that's what I'm saying. So now it's like, instead of maxing yourself out, just get that money that you're gonna get from it, take your profit, and go. Yeah. Come back tomorrow for some more. Get your profit and go, come back tomorrow for some more, man.
No, I like that.
And I mean, that's, like I said, this is not for leaps. This is not if you got it for months. But at the same time, bro, man, get these little 2-week contract, 3-week contract. Because even if you believe in the play, even if it don't go your way immediately, you know what I'm saying? Like, RR did me to just not put sad, bitch ass nigga. You hear me? Just like that bitch just did me. Even if it don't go my way immediately, I got that bitch till January 30. So I still can wait it out. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And I mean, you got to be willing to risk. Me personally, I be ready to risk the whole woo-wop. You heard me? But at the same time, you can also just look at market structure. You feel me? And you don't have to risk the whole thing. You can just look at market structure. If it start breaking lows, hell no. You heard me? Breaking lows, hell no. Time to go. You feel me?
This nigga about the Dr. Seuss tale.
Cause man, that's when it makes sense and it stick with you,
Fact.
It's sitting, it breaking lows, hell no, time to go. For real though, I'm just trying to speak on some real stuff, bro, because it's about making money. You know what I'm saying? It's about taking profits.
Yes.
You feel me? We have to take these profits when we see them. Yeah, realize profits. Yes, man, that is so powerful. We need that. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. Realize profits, bro.
Yeah, it's gonna get to that point. I mean, like you said, that's the best balance, to have them long-term options and something that's like expiring in a couple of weeks or a month, couple of months, something that you can utilize to build up your trading balance, so you can have those $1,100 1-year car options on Walmart and stuff. You can put them plays on. It'd be good.
Yeah.
I don't have to worry about that shit, bro.
And that's all I'm trying to do, bro. Build my account up, a couple hundreds at a time, $250 a week. You know what I'm saying? $250 a week, make your life complete. You feel me? $250 a week, man. But yeah, man. Everybody stay blessed. You feel me?
You already know.
Keep doing your thugs, man. Stay black, stay dangerous. You heard me? Much love to the community. You heard me? And to everybody listening.
No, but yeah, we're gonna be back on Sunday, man. We're gonna see where everything ended off at. We still got what? Roughly 4-5 more hours left for the day, so we're gonna let this shit just ride out. No need for getting excited. But yeah, we out, man. See y'all on Sunday. You hear me?
You hear me?
Peace.
One.